Festive season is around the corner. Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. In today's video, I have shared DIY Diwali Decoration Rangoli Mat that you can easily make at home and it turns out to be so beautiful. I have shared 3 to 4 arrangements here. You can choose whichever you want to. But before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get the further notification of the new videos every week. Now let's start the video. Here I have taken 4 colors of yarn. You can find these in any craft store, Walmart, Target, anywhere. I have chosen 4 bright colors, but you can choose any color combination of your choice. First I am going to show you how you can make pom-pom in bulk. So for this I am using the leg of the chair, as you can see here. Now I am going to use first the orange yarn. Take one end of the yarn and start wrapping around. Do not wrap it very tight, make the wrap very light in hand and you have to wrap it 100 times. Now cut the wool and now take a small thread and you have to tie at one end as I am showing you here. One time and two time. Now stretch it very tight and now give one more knot and this is the first knot ready. Similar way, tie the knot to the other side as I have shown here, and if you want you can wrap it like that, but I have removed it from the chair. Now giving 1.5 inch distance or according to the size of the pom-pom you need, wrap it, make a knot as I am showing you here. First do the double knot and then stretch it, that way the knot is very tight. Now the second knot, this is the ready. So similar way I'm gonna show you one more time. So make the knot twice, then stretch it and then make a second knot and cut the excess thread. Similar way, giving 1 inch distance, wrap all around, and this is the last one. This is how it looks like. Take a sharp scissor and cut in between where we have tied the knot. So that way you can make the perfect size, same size of the pom-poms. Cut it all around in between. This is the first one. Similar way I am going to cut all of the pieces. Now this is ready. Take one of the pom-pom and press it as shown and then use the scissor, and if you have seen any excess yarn, just cut it, so that way you have very less excess yarn if you are using that method. And now rub it in between your hand. First pom-pom is ready. I'll show you one more time. Take the pom-pom and then cut off the excess yarn. If you want you can leave that long thread and you can tie it around, and the second pom-pom is ready. Similar way I am going to make rest of the orange pom-pom and I will show you. After cutting all the pom-poms, this is how the round pom-poms ready. As you can see, total 14 to 15 pom-poms are ready depending upon the size you want. Now these are the discarded yarn, don't throw this. I have already made the yellow and blue pom-poms, green and red one I have already had from the market, so these pom-poms are ready. Make this Rangoli mat, I am going to use these type of carry bags that is easily available everyone's home, but you can use any stiff cloth. Cut 2 of the sides, remove the stitching, both the sides, so that we can get the open space. This is how it looks like. Now cut the upper part of this where the handle is, that way we can get the certain piece of cloth. So this is approximately, I will tell you, 13.5 inches and 13.5 inches. Now mark at the center of this cloth. Make a line, mark the center and then make the horizontal line. So basically you have to make horizontal and vertical lines passing through the center. Hope you can see that. Now open this bag and now mark at the center so that we have an idea. I am going to first use the orange pom-pom. I am going to use the thread and needle because I am going to make it washable and reusable. But if you don't want to use this method, you can totally skip that and use the glue gun. That is very quick and easy, but you cannot wash it. Now leaving 1 inch space from the side, poke the needle, you can see here, and now take one pom-pom and sew it as shown. I'll try to show you the best I can. And now poke the needle again, little bit distance. This is how it looks like. Now carefully stretch the thread. Do not stretch the thread too much, otherwise the cloth became shrink. Now tie the knot carefully, not giving too much stretch. This is ready. Similar way, on that straight line you have to stitch all the pom-poms, and I am gonna show you how much you have to stretch it so that you have an idea. So this is how it needs to be, and from this back side this is how it looks like. Now once you reach at the end, make sure to leave the 1 inch distance and then stitch the pom-pom as shown. And at the end of the video I will tell you why we have leave the 1 inch gap. Now first line is ready. Similar way we have to make the other line as shown vertically. So basically we have to take one pom-pom from the center and then stitch it, and so the plus sign is ready. Now I will show you the next arrangement. You have to stitch all these. I have just shown you here. Once I have stitched it, all I will show you. And once you have reached at the end, make a knot and cut the thread. This is how it's ready. So similar way, from all the ends you have to arrange these pom-poms. This is how ready. This is the first arrangement. You can cut the excess cloth and make this as a decorative piece, but I am going to further decorate it. To fill the gap, I am going to use the yellow color pom-pom and I am going to stitch it in between one of the section, and make sure to stitch it that way that the cloth won't be shown. And while stitching the pom-poms, make sure not to stretch the thread, otherwise the cloth is also stretched and you won't get the perfect mat. So once I have finished making all the pom-poms, and then I will show you what you have to do next. So I have done that much, and now I will tell you, you have to fill the other boxes with the red, green and blue color pom-poms that way, and once it is done then I will show you. Stitching all the pom-poms in the 4 boxes. This is how it looks like, and this is the back side. You can see I haven't stretched too much thread, so that's why it is straight. And now we are going to the next step. Take this type of stick on canvas, also known as bukram. We are going to make it stiff, that's why I have used it. But if you don't want to make it reusable or washable, you can use the cardboard instead of this. Iron it, or you can hand stitch it with the cloth that we have left from all the corners. If you remember, 1 inch space, that to leave the 1 inch space, and I have stick it with the fabric glue, and this is how it looks like so far. And now I am going to use this golden flower. I have prepared it at home. I am going to stitch it at the center, and this is how the reusable Rangoli mat is ready for the upcoming festival season. Hope you like this easy DIY of Rangoli mat. So this festive season, do give it a try and let me know how it turns out to be. And you can make different arrangements using one rangoli. Hope you like this easy rangoli. If you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video of Diwali decoration idea, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook page. And thanks for watching.